Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 20th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Alright, the first one I will solve is a 3 stars Sudoku. Well, it's not actually a 3 stars, because this one has 27 printed digits. 27. And this will be number 6783. Yeah, 27. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku, this is not a 3 stars but a 1 star. 1 star has always 27 printed digits, and for a 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes. Alright. But I think it's a 2 stars. A 1 star puzzle. Correction, yeah. 27 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of hidden numbers. A lot of pairs, then you will need more time to solve. We'll see if this is really a 3 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see the one in this column, the one in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 7 should be there. 8. Need an 8 here. Alright, need a 9 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 7, 7. Okay, we have a 9 in the last column, the 9 in that column, so the column between. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9, yes. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the middle column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. Here 9 in the first column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 6 in this first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. We see another 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8, 8, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. Then 4. Need a 4 here, need a 6 in this row, 6 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the second row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. All right. Okay. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. How about 2, 2, 2. Need a 3 here. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Come on. Need a 3 here. 4 missing numbers in this row, last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in the last row could be here, could be there. We see another 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1, 1. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. And I need a 5 here. Alright. Okay. No 5. 5, 5, 5. Okay. 5, 5. 5. Need a 4 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have 4 and a 5 in the first column. So no 4 and 5 in this box. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Okay. 7 and the 2. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Okay. 4 and a 5. 4, 5, and 3 is missing. 3, 3. 3 and 5 are missing in this column. 3 and 5. Well, 4. Come on. 8, yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5, 5, 5, and the 3. Alright. 9, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in the middle row for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 3 and the 5 are missing here. Need a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Do we have all the ones? No. Need a 1 there. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Interesting. How about the 9? 9. Yeah. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. 8. Need an 8 here. Okay, 3, 3. Need a 5, 5, 5, 5, and I need a 2, 2, 2. 2, 5, 3. Yeah. 2, 5, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there, 7 in this row, 7 in that last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes down. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes down. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the third row. So no row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Final two numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the second. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finishing 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Talk 2 minutes. Well, faster than 50 minutes. Well, do not know. Let me give this 2 stars here. Let me give this a 2 stars. But I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.